Hey, everyone is making this Codex skill thing. Forget making one, I don't even know what it actually is.
Okay, I can help. I'm assuming you already installed Codex. You usually figure these things out faster than me anyway. Now, you know how we use prompts in Codex, right? Just like we do in ChatGPT.
Now think about this. What if there's a prompt you use almost every day? Writing it again and again feels repetitive and honestly, a bit tiring. That's where a skill comes in. A Codex skill lets you save that prompt. So instead of rewriting everything, you just store it once and reuse it anytime you want. And not just small prompts. You can create structured prompts with steps, clear input, and expected output. The skill file basically defines how your skill behaves, what input it expects, and what it should generate. So next time, you don't type everything again. You just run the skill, provide the required input, and Codex executes those instructions for you. Simple, right? Now, let me show you something interesting. Last week, you were struggling with writing Spring REST APIs, right? Imagine this. What if you had your own REST API builder? Something that generates controller, service, repository, even model and entity classes, with proper database mapping. Sounds complex, but it's actually simple. You just need to do one thing manually. Describe your data in a simple JSON format, like entity name, fields, types, base URL, package name. That's it. Everything else, the structure, the layers, the boilerplate code, your skill can generate for you. It's more like having a smart assistant that handles repetitive coding work. Now here's how you create it. First, create a folder. The name of this folder is important because this becomes your command. Whatever you name it, that's exactly what you'll type after the dollar symbol to run the skill. Let's say REST-API-builder. Inside this folder, create a file called SKILL.md. Now give your skill a name, something like REST API Builder. This is just a display name, not the command. Then write a simple overview. Just explain what your skill does, like generating a complete Spring Boot CRU DAPI with controller, service, repository, and other layers. Done. Next, define the input format. Here, you describe what kind of data the user needs to provide, like entity details and configuration. Once that's written, save the file. Now the final step. Place this folder inside your Codex Skills directory. There's a hidden folder called .codex in your system, and inside that, a skills folder. Just paste your REST API Builder folder there. Restart your Codex app. And now, whenever you type your skill command in the chat and provide your John input, your REST API structure gets generated. Controller, service, repository, everything. All the repetitive setup, done for you.
I get it now. Thanks to you.